Hello everyone, my name is David. Today is day 3 of Making Money Journey 30 Days. Oh, as you can see, I have the new haircut. Today I went to a barber shop and it was annoying. And I didn't say anything because I just need a haircut. So I walked in yesterday. They said, "Oh, it's fully booked. How about coming tomorrow, which is today?" And then the guy I was booking with uh, said, "Oh, come here, come there at 12 o'clock," which is I did. And I was asking, "Are you gonna cook? Are you going to cut for me? Not cook for me. Are you going to cut for me? Are you going to cut hair for me?" And I clearly, he's the better barber in the shop. Maybe he's the owner. Who knows? I didn't ask. And then today I went there and then he just said, "Oh, my colleague is going to cook for you." But May, what are you talking about, May? I remember clearly I was booking with you. And then now you are like, "Oh, yeah, I'm not going to cut here for you." So, well, it's okay. Spend a £25 and then that's just what I got. And so, yeah. Uh, okay, let's just cut it off now. I'm going to talk about what I was doing. I didn't spend too much time actually. I was working all day with my unpaid work project and finished the ticket they assigned to me. And then I just did a little bit kind of a competitor analysis. Ooh, what's going on? So my side project was a niche. I was selling stuff, but there's like a menu process. I use ChatGPT and Grok to help me fine tune the to fine tune something, and I like to just write a code because I'm a software engineer, I'm a developer, and everything has to be in code. So I was thinking about, is it possible for me, because some of the processes quite mundane and manual, that I like to um, create an API and help me to do this and automate the entire thing. And so I know at this point I just need to familiar with the business process and business logic, even like just validate a market, but I still love to make a plan. I'm not going to straight to write a code, but at least I'm trying to use this. It's common sense, or not common sense, maybe just something I learned. You have to work on ideas to get ideas. So one of the ideas I get by this process when I just planning out what I need to do for the project I'm going to build, then I found out the best way to to create a project, apart from technology, tech stack research you're going to do, is to research the competitor, what existing competitor are out there. So I found this kind of a close, but I think this competitor is doing everything, and I think it's great. Oh yeah, yeah. So this is what I found, and I think potentially could be one of a direction I would love to work in. Uh, is kind of a photo editor, and I look at that and they do provide really good features for developer. And also um, I realize they charge quite a lot of money, and you see that basic plan is £100, £120, advanced is like £350. And then I quickly to look at, so how many visitor, so basically averagely 23 million for last 2 months, and it's crazy. And then I also look at some keyword which is kind of would be for me would be good for me to explore a little bit more. So I can see this is like really classic. Um, Somehow I think they might come from Russian. This is using Russian, I guess. And what else were you talking about now? And I'm also looking at some. What do I have these two? Ah, oh yeah. So this is a paid. So they pay for the keywords. So you know when you do Google search, and then this keyword they pay for it, and I don't know how much they pay for it, but you can see was a lot of clicker image enhancer. It's one of the pay keyword, and there's 6,000 clicks, 6,000 clicks. Then, and what else? The AI image generator, there are 352 clicks, thousand clicks. So there are a lot of the market there. There's a market need for AI image generator. Then, so yeah, and I was looking at around. I didn't do too much analysis, just get a feel around this direction, and I don't know much about technology behind. So I guess you don't need to do so much. I guess it's like think about more. So at this point, this web application, the competitor, I think is doing a really good job. So for us, what can we do to in order to provide better value for users? Then I also look for some another keyword, just browsing all the keywords around. They quite a lot actually, but this is the keywords I should just search them to see what Google search come back to me. Also using Ahrefs and Smush to see what is the domain rating DR. That's DA, domain authority. That's what they said. And yeah, I think it's good starting point. Wow, 3.5 million organic. Even 3.5 million, I just need 1%. 1% would be 0.0, like 35,000. Then I still can have a lot of exposure, so I can create some apps and provide for free. Then I can get some money from doing that, right? What else I would like to show you guys? Oh yeah, so I was just looking at this competitor. What else they provide? I can't like, screenshot really easily, but it's basically replace. There's a lot of feature. So what if we just do one feature at a time, using a different wrapper? Let's say. I don't know what to do, but it would be interesting to do that actually. Like AI image is stable diffusion, right? So even you can build a no code to run it actually. So yeah, again, I think my action point. Actually, I do have action point. So my action point is I like to learn more SEO. Basically, I don't know what SEO, and also there's another courses I like to buy it, but when I have money. But right now, I think I'm just a beginner, so I'm just save money as much as I can and then build stuff But right now I'm just researching and then planning and then figuring out the requirements. But definitely AI image generator is a keyword, and it indicates there's a market needs around. People will search for it. I don't know what image generator they are doing, so that would be interesting to know if I do some research tomorrow. But again, for now, the better plan is I would do manually everything along the way. But right now it's kind of a painful. So I would find inspiration and use the AI to generate image and then send it to the provider. Provider have some uh, product picture for me, and then product picture I will go into list out in the e-commerce platforms. This is just really mundane, and I really don't enjoy doing that. My plan is I still doing that because that's the only way quickest. But I'm a developer. I'm just hate everything low efficient, and then I'm not sure the time is well spent. But I will continue to try it. So today is day 3, and please following me and I see if I can make out anything. And this is a journey. Thank you for watching.